So he just literally replaced the chip. Right, bloody good. Yeah. Well, I've got a new chip, but that one's been programmed. It's all a bit of a pain. This last bit is recommended doing. Right, you're just going to cut it off. You're going to cut some big block, when you want to cut it.
Looks like a digital chip replacement job in the early stages.
No, that won't go through the old.
Worthing Digital. Last crossed the line 4:43, 4 hours 43, which now 4 hours 53. So they've been off the track for 10 minutes. Oh, the body shell's going back on. MX-16 motor sidewinder configuration. Slotted motor pod. Body screws with flat head screws with a flat blade screwdriver. It's the red Aston Martin GTE. Driver back to the podium. Car back to the pit lane. Driver plugging in the controller. Turn the lights on. Turn the lights on. Oop, turn the lights on. Lights are light. Lights are lit. What's the lap time? It's that orange one. Gosh, 27 seconds. Yeah, 27.2 seconds. That wasn't the lap. Yeah, it's okay. So when he went out the pits, he registered a lap, but it didn't show us there, and then he's just done a 27. 17.7, getting back into his rhythm. Look at the Gas Monkey's last lap, 15.07 it was. 15.07 fastest. Gas Monkey's currently doing very fast, doing a very fast lap. What we got? North Staffs, 1 lap behind the Gas Monkeys. Most cars doing 15s, look, high 15s. Cars back in the pits. looks like a lighting circuit problem. I can see there's a wire, black wire off of that yeah, lighting chip. Little soldering John. Looks like a Johnny's workshop light chip, but it's nothing to do with the chip. It's entirely hour on the hour. So 19 hours remain, and Rockingham have opened their lead up to 31 laps. Sports Car Racing in second, DSCA in third. Quite close between those two, only 13 laps. SRC Eindhoven are only 21 behind. So those front four, in fact more, Gas Monkeys front five, 95 laps off the lead. Any one of those front four cars has a problem that needs a 10-minute pit stop like we've just been witnessing over there. Then it can all change. Looks like Great Bar Slot Car have had some bad time. They're second in LMP2 now, and they've dropped back in the field. Beam Slot Racing continue their slow surge forward. Pretty respectable fastest lap now, 14 1/4. There we go. 19 hours remain.